So, yeah, would you say that's an easy manoeuvre?
Yeah, fairly. It's just as long as you've got your concentration, I feel like.
Yeah, and that depends on you, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, in this video, we're going to do what many people think is the easiest driving test manoeuvre, which is called, what's it called? Do you know? You have watched the video on it in the Ultimate Driving course.
I was going to call it.
So what do you have to do in the manoeuvre? The clue's going to be in that.
The right hand one?
Yeah, parking on the right.
Yeah, you park there.
That's it, good. Yeah, so obviously you watched the video. You haven't done the manoeuvre before, but you know by watching the videos in the Ultimate Driving course what you're supposed to be doing. So could you quickly explain what you're supposed to do? Because that's the whole point of the course, so it saves me doing that, yeah. You
park up, but then you find a space.
Yeah.
And then if there's a car was coming this way and you saw a space, rather than just carrying on, you'd wait, and then once that car's passed, you can then move into the space. And then
pause there a second. That's a very good point, yeah, because I find people do that a lot. You know, when we ask them to park up on the left, they see a safe spot, but when they see oncoming cars, they think, oh, I'm not going to stop here now. But once you've chosen your spot, that's fine. If there is a car coming, like you said, just stop, yeah. And then
once you've parked up on the right hand side, you check all your blind spots, and then you reverse 2 car lengths.
Good. And what could go wrong when you're reversing?
You could come away from the curb or go too close to the curb.
Good. And what would you do if there's any vehicles coming from in front?
You'd stop.
Good. Yeah. Vehicles from behind wouldn't really affect you because they're on the other side of the road, yeah. Unless you're in a situation where the road narrows because of parked cars, yeah. Then you need to keep an eye on them. And then once you reverse 2 car lengths,
you put it back into first, and then you check all your blind spots. Get your biting point ready, check the blind spots again, and then you can move off.
So what's the final check before you move off?
That one.
That's it, good. Yeah. I think this manoeuvre is more about checking your observations are good enough that you notice, because you've got to be alert from all angles, yeah, on this manoeuvre. You've got to, because cars could turn from in front, from behind, yeah, you've got to focus on your positioning as well. So, yeah. The first time we do, it's going to be a nice quiet road. Yeah, if you do okay, then I'll take you onto a busy road as well, yeah. Okay. Would you be okay just giving it a go?
Yeah.
Cool. Brilliant. So move off whenever you're ready. I think because you've done quite a few driving lessons now, yeah, when I say quite a few, not loads, but we've been focusing on your driving rather than manoeuvres. We've all done one manoeuvre before, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's why I feel like, especially this manoeuvre, it's okay, because there's not many reference points involved. It's okay for you to have a go yourself for it, yeah.
Yeah. Am I going to do it along this?
No, I'll tell you, we're going to do it on a different road. Okay, as we go over this hill, there's a right turning here, which I want you to take, please. Everything was good apart from bringing the clutch. The position was brilliant there, yeah. Okay. If you could park up anywhere safe on the right, please.
Oh, I'm quite far away from the curb.
Stop.
I was gonna...
Handbrake up. Yeah, you could have been a bit close to the curb, but this is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but now you've got to be careful. When you reverse, you don't get any further away. So when you reverse, you can get closer, can't you?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so if you stop that far away, it's absolutely fine.
Okay.
So if you could reverse 2 car lengths now. Because you were about to go forward to get closer, weren't you? There's no need.
Yeah, probably shouldn't have. Handbrake. There's always something.
That's That's a really good speed. Keep you at this speed, yeah. This is the speed I recommend for all manoeuvres. Stop there a second. Stop there.
Need to get away from that.
Yeah, you get away from what?
What are they called?
Oh, there's
Yeah, I don't want to go over
it's like a ramp thing. It's still quite far away, but good spot there.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. What's your distance from the cave like?
It's closer, but
Yeah.
because I'm approaching that, I don't want to go too close and have to go back out again.
Okay.
So I just thought if I get past them, then I can.
Right,
get
it's cool. We're gonna stop before them anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
I'm just staring and stuff.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. Well, anything could have happened there,
Yeah.
but you wouldn't have noticed it.
Yeah.
You can't keep like you just said. I just kept staring in there.
Yeah.
Okay. So come on, let's have more observations.
I think it's because. Am I still going back?
Yeah. That's better. Good. Stop, Phoebe. Stop.
I'm going
Stop.
that way, aren't I?
See, do you
Oh,
notice
there's a car.
Yeah, you have to stop for them. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Your observation is good, but
She just said that, and
you
I
didn't
just
notice the car.
didn't-
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to reverse a little bit more now.
I think I'm kind of away from them anyway.
That's enough. That's fine. Okay, good. And if this lady was about here when we were reversing, just stop for them as well.
Okay.
Okay, anybody near your car, yeah, what we call the danger zone, about half a car length or a car length in front and about a car length behind, just stop for any pedestrians, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so what could have been better when you were reversing there?
Staring into that, and then the car.
Yeah,
approach.
so you were staring into that, so your observation around here could have been better, and like you said, stopping for that car. Move off when you're ready. Well done, that's excellent. That blind spot check.
I was going to say, you did say check all of them, then you check that one last, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because normally we move off from the left hand side of the road, yeah?
Yeah.
So the danger is going to be on the right, the most danger. This time we're on the opposite side, so left one. Good. How do you find that?
It was okay. It's just obviously staring in, concentrate on that and then the car. And then
Chain right, please. So we're going to go and try it on a much busier road now, yeah?
You left the gear way too late then.
See, the good thing is now, every time you make a mistake, like,
notice it.
yeah, that's it, you notice it, yeah? Turning left on the lights, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and if you could park up anywhere safe on the right, please.
Jeez Louise. Oh no, why did I slam on? What on earth? I meant to press the accelerator, but I thought it was on.
That's it, stop before that car gets too close.
Oh no, stop, because I forgot to put my foot on the clutch.
Okay, and the handbrake
Give
up.
me strength.
Handbrake up. Right, so see the difference?
Yeah.
I'm doing it to a quiet road and doing it on a busy road, yeah?
I forgot I had to.
Right, so you did the correct thing. You chose a safe spot, and then there were cars coming, so you slowed down.
Yeah.
Okay, probably rushed through your gear a bit too soon though.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you know when that car's coming, you got to make that judgment. Can you get into your position and stop before that oncoming car? If not, just wait for it to pass.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, should have stopped just a bit sooner. Yeah.
Okay.
Right, so what I want you to do is select first gear and just go forward up to there so you can straighten your car a bit.
Okay.
Start the car though. It's off.
Oh yeah. Could have stalled it. It's the first time I've done that in absolutely ages. I'm just gonna wait for that ambulance. Probably could have. Well, that's confusing because I thought it was indicating for a second then.
Wait for this car as well. That's it. Okay, that's fine there. That's it, and if you could reverse 2 car lengths now.
If there's like cars coming, do you need to...
See, you could reverse now. Look at the gap between the... Sorry, what was the question you were asking?
I was going to say, do you need to... if you indicate, you look like you're going... What?
No,
I
you don't need to
what
indicate,
I'm on
no.
about. I thought if you indicate to the right...
So you just missed the opportunity to reverse,
Yeah.
you know, with that van?
Yeah.
Okay. Because on a busy road, you've got to take every gap that you can take, yeah?
Yeah.
But don't rush. Don't rush. Remember the pace you did here earlier. Keep the same pace. Well done for noticing the oncoming car this time. See again, we still
How? Yeah, I'm just saying how far... Because I can see them, I'm just...
Yeah, we could have stopped when he came this close. So you had a bit of space there to use.
Okay.
A bit of time. So what's happening?
Going a bit.
That's it. You notice a cyclist?
Yeah, but because they're on that side, I think I needed to... I think which way I need to... There.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, I kind of went a bit.
And move off when you're ready, please. No.
No, that one.
That's it. Remember the basic route, the first routine you learned was what? Do you remember it?
The long one.
No, it's the
The
shortest
mirror
one.
signal.
No,
Oh,
the one before that you learned in your first lesson. Called POM.
Who?
POM. Do you remember that? Prepare, observe, and move.
I was
yeah.
going to say
Okay.
position observe.
No.
I can indicate when these cars are
Yeah.
thinking.
So you're telling everyone what you're trying to do. So if traffic builds up, somebody may give you way. Okay. So this is where your signal will benefit.
This is the impatient part. Oh no, there's a car there now. Oh, but they're quite far away, I probably should have gone. Yeah, they look so much closer than they did.
You should have moved by now.
Than they are.
That's it. You know, on busy roads, yeah.
Yeah.
Like any opportunity, like any gaps you get, yeah. So if there's a car coming, but you know after you've got a gap, yeah. Be ready to move.
Yeah.
Like even here now, we could have moved a few seconds sooner, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to do that again on this same road. So what I want you to do is a U-turn at this roundabout, which is the 4th exit. So turning right and taking the 4th exit.
Okay.
Remember to count the exits.
Wait, what is going on?
Which gear? Which position? Where should your position
Oh,
be?
there, because it's
That's
the
it,
right.
we're turning right.
So I'm going right round.
4th exit. What number have you just passed?
1. There's 2.
Anybody behind you? No,
Wait,
keep
why
the
is that
signal
going
on.
off?
Put the signal back on. That's it.
There's 3. And now there's one behind me. Oh my, why does it keep turning off?
What should you do now then?
This one.
That's it. Is it safe?
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, we need to polish up on our roundabout still.
It's always the right ones, and the left. The left ones I'm usually fine with, but...
Okay, when it's safe to do so, if you could park up on the right hand side of the road, please. Yes.
Okay. Oh.
Put the signal back on for me. That's it. And stop here now. Stop. Stop. So it's good you're focusing on your position, yeah. But you know if there's an oncoming car coming, like the lorry was, yeah.
Stop.
You gotta stop for them, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But that was good, the positioning wise, and how you picked a safe gap to a safe space to pull up in.
Yeah.
And if you could reverse 2 car lengths now.
Right.
Again. Okay, see, this is what I was talking about earlier. We've just taken. No, don't move now because the van's quite close, yeah. But we could have easily reversed it. We could easily reversed about a car length by now, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, stop there. So can you see you're steering slightly to the right? Look at your steering. What's going to happen to the car if you keep it there?
Right.
Yeah, it's going to get too close. Yeah, towards the curb. Good. See, I like how you use that. It was only a small gap, but we use that opportunity to reverse.
I'm steering again.
Yeah, so what should you do now? That's it. I think because naturally you just like applying a bit of pressure to the right there, yeah. Okay, that's enough. See, any cars, see the cars on the other side of the road, yeah, that are going straight on, yeah.
Yeah.
They don't really affect us because this road's quite wide. Yeah, we're not close to them. And move off when you're ready. That's better. Yeah, you've had the car first this time. Well done. If you could park up on the left, please.
Oh, that was just a drain, wasn't it?
Yep. And switch off the engine. Right, what do you think of that manoeuvre?
Needs a bit of working on. It's just, I think it's because if I'm too concentrated here, I don't look there. If I'm looking there too much, then obviously with the steering, it's just a natural because my body's twisting.
Yeah, I can understand why the DVSA added this manoeuvre in, because there's a lot to focus on, isn't there? Yeah. Okay. And like you said, your attention has to be everywhere.
And you got to make sure you're not.
Yeah. But that road that I just made you do, we did it on twice, yeah. You're not going to get any busy roads than that, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. They normally on test they normally do on much quieter roads.
Yeah.
But if you can do it on a road like that.
Because it's not a naturally difficult thing to do. But it's just you got to be aware.
That's it.
That's the hardest part.
Yep. So yeah, would you say that's an easy manoeuvre?
Yeah, fairly. It's just as long as you got your concentration, I feel like.
Yeah, and that depends on you, yeah.
Yeah.
Right then, guys, so yeah, let me know what you guys think of this manoeuvre. Do you guys think this is the easiest, or do you find any one of the other manoeuvres easy? Just drop a comment, and yeah, let me know. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.